gusto ko i-push mo yung sarili mo talaga to. Kasi pag natak mo ito ng balikat mo, easily, you will beat your man. Toss lang, stay lang yung bola. Yan, see? Well, ng counter natin. Sinisimulate natin, like, kunwari, mag-reach. Since wala tayong defender, it will represent the defender. So, delay, catch, kasama po. Therefore, napapakita weakness mo ngayon. So, try natin yung push. Okay. This time, footwork natin. Turn 3 ball, partial step, under. Then set, step, cross. 1, 2, turn, partial, under. Reset naman tawag dito. 1, 2, turn. Kahit itulak, andun yung balance. Kaya gusto ko panoorin mo yung paa, stay wide base, para kahit matulak ka, andun yung balance, stability. Wide base, go! Okay. Same footwork, pa rin yan, right? Drag under, foot switch to split stop. So, same pa rin. Split people through, set in, turn, partial, under, foot switch, split stop. Hindi lang. Hindi mo naman yan. Push mo yung sarili mo talaga to. Kasi pag natak mo ito ng balikat mo, easily, you will beat your man. Pero tingnan mo, since iniwan ko ngayon ganyan, kanina kasi ganyan, mataas. Alam naman mo? Default natin through cross lang, through cross, pero nag-change tayo ng height. Kaya tayo may accountability na reposting. Okay? Ito, reset step mo lang. Reset deep kasi nakatig na yan. Ito, reset step, through, cross, reset deep. Traditional layup na ginagawa natin, yung iba tinatawag nila, di ba yung same foot or wrong foot layup? Tayo, ang tawag natin doon, first step, second step, finish. Yan yung traditional layup. Tinanggal yung word na second step, finish. Finish, yan yun. First step, finish. Okay? Ngayon, ang gusto kong gawin, ang tawag ko dito, extended step. So, kaya siya tinawag na extended step. Right after my first step, ngayon, sabay akong tatalos. Yan. So, nice one. Yan, nice one. Then tap, kapag green floater. Green floater. Kapag blue, extended step, blue. Okay. Red, extended step, right. Tama dito is yung decision making. Kaya ako to dinagdag para kahit gumagawa ka ng galaw mo, alert ka, aware ka. Hindi mo siya sa cellphone, ini-include mo siya sa utak mo, sa natawan mo. Eventually, magiging magawa. Okay? So just keep training lang tayo, mapapagod ka na hindi mo naiintindihan yung ginagawa natin. Madaling magulit, madaling mag-uwalit, okay? Like kunwari ito mga accountability natin, drill mat, rip roller, rip line, magmumukhang tempo yan, magmumukhang crown drills yan kapag hindi mo nagigets yung idea. Defense ka, play defense. Alright. Kumalaw ka. Boom. Huwag yung ganito. Boom, boom. Hindi ka pwede kumalaw na. Boom, 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 boom. Shimmy. Bang, then push. Patience. Huwag mong mamadaliin. Kasi the more mong mamadaliin, the more ka magiging less effective. Ayan. Cross, stop, finish. Cross mo na, ito yung first. Ito yung first step. Nice mo. Kanina, naalala mo, split pivot through, step in, turn, partial step, drag, foot switch. Right after yung foot switch mo, itatak mo. Ngayon, kung saan umilaw na color, yun yung attack mo. So kung mag-end up sa kabila, mag-add ka lang ng isang move. Galing? Fake passes, mag-imaginary ko lang, fake passes, then jab, okay, jab, then, yan. Sigas. Nice one. Bakit ha? Come to third, yan, matras. Bakit? 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 Yan. Come on. There you go. Oh, back up. Go.
Mo sa puno.
May puno eh.
Liwanag, parang kinukuha ni Lord.